Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Revive liquid stiffener. To begin with, let's have a quick look at the bottle. This 95-gram Revive bottle come at MRP of rupees 38. So what it does is, when we buy new clothes, they are all crisp, fresh. So Revive liquid stiff the clothes. With this liquid we can do starching of clothes at home. So we are going to use this by both ways, bucket and the machine wash, and we will see the results also. And remember, it is meant to be applied after washing. So take 1 liter of cold water. Now shake the bottle well and add 1 cup of Revive liquid. It is sufficient for 1 sari or 2 shirt. Now mix it continuously till it is completely dissolved. This liquid is white in color and has small balls. The texture is granule and smells nice. Now soak the washed clothes in this liquid for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes gently squeeze them. Do not twist the clothes after dipping to avoid wrinkles on clothes, and then dry them out in a hanger. And unlike other starch, it can be used on white as well as colored fabric. Needless to say, this worked best for the cotton clothes. Now coming to the washing machine. To use in washing machine, keep a track of the rinsing cycle. Revive need to be added in the last rinse cycle. Depending upon the washing machine you use, you could add Revive liquid in the fabric softener compartment, or if your washing machine is like mine, in the last rinse cycle, add Revive and let it run. And here we have the crisp shirt, and yes, it brings the transformation to the clothes that I was looking for. You can feel the nice smell in the clothes, and they are stiff and it gives elegant look. I just loved it. And the big advantage of Revive is that it can be used in cold water also. Traditional starch needed hot water. Here I want to remind you one more thing, that if the solution is not mixed properly, you might get white marks or patches on the clothes. You don't want that. So you get it in the right quantity and dissolve it completely. Overall, an excellent product for stiffening cotton clothes and bringing back the shine you want. Literally a good product for the instant starch. You must try this. Hope you find the video useful. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos.